Another winter storm. Looks like I got about 4 inches this time. And here we were like 60s last week. There's a sticky snow, you can see it stuck to the aviary nettings. Does look beautiful in the trees though. But anyway, now I gotta shovel it all out so I can get the gate open. Look, you guys got snow. No heater in the water for the past week either. Even with all the snow, it stayed good. We've been running over freezing during the day, so I haven't had the heater on for a week or so. I know, everybody's hungry. Well, little snowy update. Next will be nest boxes getting ready.